Good morning, everybody. Today is Friday, April 24th, and we're going to do some math. All right, so we are still subtracting to compare in word problems. So let's read the problem. Nan sees 6 birds. Cam sees 9 birds. How many fewer birds does Nan see? So first of all, let's think about this for a minute. Subtracting means taking away, right? So we're going to do some subtracting. If I have before we even start, well, hang on. Let me start this again. All right. So, what are we talking about? We're talking about birds, right? And we're talking about how many Nan sees and how many Cam sees. What do we know? We know that Nan sees 6, and we know that Cam sees 9. What do we want to know? We want to know how many fewer birds does Nan see. So fewer means less than, right? So how many fewer, how many less does Nan see? So we're trying to find the difference. We're going to subtract the difference between 9 and 6. So let's do this. First, let's write our subtraction problem. So we're going to start with our bigger number, 9 minus 6. Because if I have 6, I can't take 9 away. So I have to start with my 9 and then take 6 away. All right, so 9 minus 6 equals something that we don't know yet. Okay, how can we solve that? So we've learned a lot of different strategies. We can use a number line, we can draw a picture, we can use a number path, we can use a hundreds chart, so many different ways. I am going to draw a little bit of a picture. And the reason I'm going to do it, I'll show you in a minute. So I'm going to go like this. I'm going to start with my 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, so that's how many Cam sees. That's my 9. Underneath, I'm going to do how many Nan sees. And I'm going to be kind of careful to line them up, and I'll show you why. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. So Cam sees 9 and Nan sees 6. If I buddy these up, right, like that, the amount that doesn't have a buddy, anything left over that doesn't have a buddy, that's my difference. That's how many fewer or how many greater. So I'm going to go like this. 1, 2, 3. So 9 minus 6 equals 3. Nan sees 3 less birds than Cam. Or Cam sees 3 more birds, or greater than, sees 3 more birds than Nan does. All right, so that's that one. Let's do another one right underneath it. So I'm going to go like this. And it says, there are 7 carrots and, let me change this. I like to see I like to make the numbers pop out at me. 4 rabbits. How many more carrots? So we know there are not enough carrots. I mean, there are more carrots than there are rabbits. So we want to know how many more carrots there are than rabbits. So we could draw a picture. I'm going to show you this, like they have on here, right? We could draw some carrots and draw some rabbits. We have a subtraction problem because we know we want to find the difference. When we see how many more or fewer, we want to know the difference. So we could subtract. So we're going to say 7 minus 4 equals something. And if you know your math facts, then you know right away what the answer is. But we're going to solve it this way. We're going to buddy them up and compare. So we have 7 carrots. So I'm going to go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we have 4 rabbits. So I'm going to line them up again. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to buddy these to make sure I did it right. And how many do I have left over? 1, 2, 3. So 7 minus 4 equals 3. So there are 3 fewer rabbits than carrots. So we also, let me see. Yeah, I think that's the way we're going to do it. Or there are 3 more carrots than rabbits. So there's 3 fewer rabbits than carrots, or 3 more carrots than rabbits, because they want to know how many more. So 3 more carrots. Sorry, I have to be a careful reader. All right, so that is subtracting to compare. Have a great weekend. I'll see you Monday. I miss you, and keep learning live.